going to be talking about Ask Me Anything. This is your chance to talk to a state certified driving instructor. You can ask me questions about the career. What is it like driving adults? What is it like driving teens? How do you need to pass your tests? If you are learning how to drive, you want to learn how to drive, you need to learn how to drive, this is for you. We're going to spend some time talking about the things you want to know, you need to learn. So let's go ahead and get it. Here's my recommendations that you complete at least 6 hours of driving. This could be with me, a state certified driving instructor. This could be with a private third party. I work through the public school system. I work for some of the largest driving schools in the country. Also, I'm an independent contractor, so I do teach teens and adults. We do road test prep, getting you ready for your road tests. I think the biggest thing is having a good instructor who is willing to talk to you and be patient. What does it take to become a good driving instructor? You got to have someone who's patient. Many times you've seen a lot of my videos. There are clips that are put together. Usually they're 20-minute videos, 30-minute videos. They're clipped shorter. I'm starting to produce more long-form content to build that community up. But you want an instructor who is nice, okay? Someone who is going to help you, not yell at you when you make a mistake. What can be a mistake? You running a light, you hitting a curb, you going the wrong way in a turn. So those things are common, and we want to help you not go through a light because it's very dangerous, not hit a curb because that's grounds for automatic failure. You also want an instructor who's going to give you directions in advance. If you're just joining us, this is Ask Me Anything. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults, I teach teens. I decided to go live to talk to you guys about some of the rules, expectations of driving. What do you need to do if you're trying to prepare for driving? Should you be driving on the road? Should you not be driving on the road? There are so many things you need to think about and consider once you get out onto the road. So you want an instructor who's going to give you information in advance. They're going to say, for example, at the light, I need you to make a left turn. Also, they use hand directions. In a lot of my videos, you'll see me pointing to the left, pointing to the right, or slowing down. In the beginning, you're going to be very overwhelmed when you learn how to drive. And when you're nervous, you're more prone to make mistakes, using the wrong blinker, not looking over the correct shoulder, not yielding at a roundabout, forgetting to use your blinker. These are more common things than you realize. And a lot of videos that you see on social media are very scripted. I go through a real perspective of what you're doing. And then sometime I do a day in the life of an instructor. Other times we will show you driving downtown areas, merging on the expressway, making lane changes. Hey, how you doing? What's going on? You doing okay? Supply chain, what's happening? How you doing? The topic is driver's ed. If you have a topic, just ask me anything. This is where you can ask me questions about driver's ed or anything else. I will ask you and say it to you honestly. I'm in the United States of America. I'm in the Midwest. Okay, I'm in the Midwest. So we have 4 seasons of driving right now. It's in the summer. It's very warm. We have a lot of construction. We have a lot of teens and adults learning how to drive. So it can be very challenging and overwhelming for all people right now. And what I do find is a lot of people are just selfish, mean, they cut us off. They're not very nice to us. And you as a driver want to really maintain a good focus. What country are you from? What part of the world are you from? A lot of my supporters, my biggest area is Canada, but really a lot of people watch us around the world, the UAE, Afghanistan, Puerto Rico. So I'm really blessed to have a large body of people. And then now put your questions in. Also, you want a good instructor who's not going to make a last minute decision. Turn right, no, turn left. You want an instructor who's going to be considerate of you. I always try to find out what is important to my students. What do you want to learn? Are you here to take 4 or 5 lessons to get your license? Are you here starting from zero? Everyone's a little bit different. And I think good instructors are kind, they're chill, they have fun. Hey, if this is bringing you value, give this uh, tutorial a thumbs up. I'm looking for 25 thumbs up. We're talking about this is a question and answer where you get a chance to answer a state certified driving instructor questions about driving. If you see me looking behind you, there is a huge gravel truck behind me dropping off their second truck. So I'm really looking and to be careful. My day typically starts, I get up about 6 in the morning, eat, take a shower, get some food, get a couple of coffees, and then I'm in the car. Thank you for the thumbs up. I look at my schedule. I try to make a custom schedule. Last 2 weeks, I drove about 80 hours of driving. It is quite a bit. I'm in the car quite a bit, so we get out, stretch our legs. We show the students how to check the oil, how to put gas in the car, how to charge the battery, routine maintenance, how to drive through a drive-through. Those skills are really important, and a lot of driving schools don't teach those schools anymore. Typically in New York, the prices are quite high. 45 minutes is about $60 to $70. Good instructors make conversations with you. I should know your name. I should know who you are. What is your goal? Everyone's a little bit different. I have a couple